Hey guys, thank you so much for checking out the link to come and support your favorite Twitch content creator for free by just linking your Amazon Gaming Prime account to your Twitch. It's that simple, and I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, guys, first things first, you want to go to your Amazon account. So what we'll do is we will go to www.amazon.com. All right, once you get in there, you're obviously going to just want to log in. Once you log in, hover over where it says hello and your name and the account list and just click on it. So once you click on it like this, you'll go down here. It'll say digital content and devices. Just look down here and it'll say Twitch settings. You're going to want to click on Twitch settings. And then it's going to ask you to it'll show that your Twitch accounts are here. And it's going to ask if you want to link your Twitch account with Amazon. And of course, mine says unlink account because it's already linked. Yours should say, would you like the link? So link those up. Once you link that up, go to Twitch, which is www.twitch.tv. And once you get here, just look for your favorite content creator. I'm a big fan of Patchouli. So I'd go down here and where it says gift a sub, you can go to the gift sub. My Prime subscription's already been used. My next Prime subscription's not available until the next month. But you guys should have one. And right here, it should ask you if you'd like to use your free Prime sub, which will benefit the content creator of your choice. So that's that. It's that simple. It's that easy. I appreciate you guys coming to check that out and being interested in that and helping us support our content creators. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful and super fantastic day.